Okay, today's a sad, sad day. I'm gonna show you one of the probably most embarrassing things in the shop, but we've been using these, actually honestly since I started making knives, so 10 years. So, in our drill press, when we put things to drill in it, we need a set of parallels so that it can sit on there and actually not just like weeble wobble and stuff. Well, I never had a proper set of parallels. I made some many years ago when I started. We had some pieces of wood. I don't know what wood. I think these were maple or something. But they sat here. Well, this was supposed to be a longer piece. They sat here. You put your stuff on there and you drill them. Sad news is this is finally this time. But you can see how embarrassing this is because like we're supposed to be making knives that are...
Here, show it, stupid. There we go.
We're supposed to be making knives that are refined, and I don't think this reflects the quality of our work.
No.
But we use these for all these years, seemingly getting by. I mean, this whole drill press setup is kind of jank in the first place. Like nothing is square, nothing's like straight.
Yeah, the vice.
Nothing's rigid. Like all of this moves. It all has their own degree of freedom and stuff like that. So it's time to make new sets of parallels. I could just buy some, but we generally abuse them. So like when we're drilling just like random shit around the shop, we'll drill it and it'll hit the parallels and stuff. And you're not supposed to do that with nice parallels.
Yeah, show how fucked up they are. Like we put up with how bad they were for so fucking long. It's like the surface of the moon. And every now and again, I would just like hit them on the disc to make them...
Oh, you did? So you upgraded them?
Well, that's why those holes in the side are there. Because I put pins through them and then would like disc both of them at the same time.
Yeah. We could buy legitimate parallels that have different heights and stuff like that so that you can like actually have different size objects and be able to account for that. But I think that would be a waste on this drill press. Like nothing is rigid, nothing is square, nothing is good. So
embrace the jank.
Until we get a mill or a drill press setup where we actually like make it rigid and have a nice vise and like fixture it all up and stuff like that. But like all of this is just like,
yeah.
It's time to make new parallels. So I need to source some material. We can't make them too skinny or they fall into the slot of the vise. Oh, G10. This would be perfect. So I'm gonna take the old parallels, which are actually a pretty good dimension, and just copy them roughly. And I'll actually measure with calipers and get them.
Show the fucking camera, goddammit. Just like whipping around, I can't follow you and I gotta manually focus.
Alright.
Alright, look at that. That's what we're gonna make it out of.
Yep, so I'm just gonna use this as a template and then I'll cut out and I'll actually measure with like a calipers and get it nice and close. Look at this scientific process. Oh yeah, there we go. There's one. And yeah, it's two.
You ever play any of the Tony Hawk games when you were a kid?
Yes.
Which one?
I don't remember.
I've been playing 3 a lot.
I just remember it was for PlayStation 1.
Ooh, so that was probably 1 or 2.
Yeah, it was old. Okay, time to cut them out.
It's always good when your bandsaw has like a point in the band where it fucking pops. That's a cool noise, right? I mean, speaking of jank though.
Oh, there it is.
I can't. Too close. Oh yeah. Wait.
Right, beep.
Ah, there you go. But also, speaking of jank, our fucking drill press.
It's the bandsaw.
Yeah, our drill press. I mean bandsaw.
All right, time to grind these to dimension.
Hold on,
What?
I'm embarrassing you.
Why?
So that's a vice grip holding down the old power button, and then we have this little wire into a switch. It's actually weirdly sophisticated.
Yeah, I think it is. The problem is this guide down here is
Oh
fucked.
yeah, the most important tool. It's fucked, but we need it to be fucked.
Yeah, so like the right wheel right there is completely at like the wrong angle. It's like, meh.
So if you look down the barrel of the blade, it's not like perpendicular to the saw.
Yeah, normally they're supposed to aim this. Normally they're supposed to aim this way,
Right.
but since this guide is broken, it goes this way, and we can grind or we can cut long stuff because of this shitty guide.
Right. So if this bearing ever wears out, we're fucked.
We have to intentionally fuck up a different guide so that it twists the blade
Yes.
in our favor. Our shop's a fucking mess, and I was gonna give the excuse that it's summer, but it's always a mess.
Yeah, it's never not a mess.
What am I doing? Oh, where are the calipers? Oh, here they are. Exactly where I put them. Okay, time to just grind them. The most important dimension that we have, length and stuff, doesn't matter. Thickness doesn't really matter either. The most important one is just the height, making sure that here and here and here and here, they're all the same dimension, as close as I can get it. Trying to get it plus or minus like one thou, and then also trying to keep it square and perpendicular to the other face, because you don't want this to just like fall over.
Don, I'm just saying, fucking drill them, ream them, and then you could just do both at once.
Oh shit.
That's what I did with the last scale.
Holy shit, Sam.
I'm just saying.
But how do we drill it without other parallels?
That's a great question.
All right, drill, ream. Sam, you're brilliant.
Yeah, sometimes.
Just close.
Looks to me, yeah.
This is fine. I like how we're reaming these even though it literally doesn't matter.
Well, you don't want them wiggling.
That's true. Reamed! Now I'll use two old shitty drill bits to hold them together. Yay! All right, how close do you think I got?
I don't know, probably pretty close.
951. Oh, 942.
That's pretty good.
I should go ahead and ends. We got our parallels. Hooray!
Hooray!
Oh, look at that. Oh, fuck yeah. They're a little fat, but whatever. They still have some tape on them. But if I want to drill my guard now, stick that in there. Boom! Look at that.
Look at you. Neat.
Hooray! Success. It only took us literally 10 years to do that.
Yeah.
But we're slowly improving the shop. One shit at a time.
Yeah, one thing every 10 years.
Yeah. What other thing have we upgraded recently?
I don't know. It's been 10 years, so I forgot.
That's real.
Dog. Dog. Production value, dog. Look at that.
Paper, can you make us a lot of YouTube bucks?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so bad at focusing. Good luck whoever edits this garbage.
Focus, Sam. Look at the before and after. Ooh, that looks pretty close.
Oh wow. Look at that.
It's eyeballing. Hooray!
Improvement!
One improvement every 10 years. Oh god. Oh yeah, we're starting to do more videos again. We kind of took a little bit of a break, but now we want to get back into it more, do more videos. And if you want to support, our videos, we got a Patreon. We're gonna do extra videos and stuff there too, kind of similar to this style, showing what's going on in the shop, what we're working on, little tips and tricks and stuff. So yeah, if you want to see some more stuff here and there, check out our Patreon.